Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do essay on topic a visit to a circus. Last year in December, the Great Gemini Circus came to Delhi. They pitched their tent in the parade ground opposite the Red Fort. The authorities of the company announced their arrival by putting up banners throughout Delhi. As I had never been to any circus show before, my father decided to take me to see it on the coming Sunday. We reached the parade ground at 6 p.m. The big tent was beautifully decorated and music attracted the visitors who crowded the booking windows. Since we had bought the ticket in advance, we entered the tent and occupied our seats. The circus tent was brightly illuminated and was fully packed. In the middle of the tent was the arena where all the acts and feats were to be shown. A few clowns were sitting in the arena and entertaining the people with their gimmicks. The band was playing some famous tunes at 6:30 p.m. The show started, and all the artists introduced themselves by marching around the arena. First of all, a few smartly dressed girls and boys appeared there. They were acrobats. They showed us their breathtaking feats on the trapeze. They came the gymnasts who performed some wonderful feats. After this, 4 horses galloped in. They were followed by 4 riders who jumped on the backs of the galloping horses and showed us various kinds of amazing feats. Then came the weightlifter of the circus. He picked up as much as 200 kg of weight with great ease. He also made an elephant stand on him. The motorcyclist showed his tricks in the well of death. There was absolute silence in the tent during his performance. For the last item, iron bars were fixed around the arena to change it into a big cage. Lions were brought into the arena by the ringmaster, who had a whip in his hand. These lions performed tricks at the command of the ringmaster. He made them jump through a ring of fire. In the end of a space rocket was fired. We enjoyed every item of the circus and returned home thrilled. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.